There are many affordable security cameras are out there in the market, but Xiaomi's offering in this category stand out for the sheer number of features it packages in. Unlike other home security cameras, this Xiaomi 1080p 360-degree home panoramic cameras features futuristic design and blend it seamlessly in your home. In this video, I am going to unbox this MI 360-degree security camera and review it. And also I will show you how to set up it and give you my opinion about should you buy it or not. So without talking too much, let's start the video. As like other Xiaomi product, it also comes in a white box and packaging design is very simple. Backside of this box, you will see some feature info about the camera like 1080p video recording, real-time monitoring, motion detection, night vision mode and others. Now let's unbox it. Opening the box from the top, first you will get a QR code sticker. Under the QR code sticker, you will get a Chinese user manual. Dig in and you will get another mini white box into it. I guess there will be USB cable and adapter into this. We will check it soon. Now under all of this, you will get the Xiaomi security camera itself. Here is the small size cute little Xiaomi security camera. Now let's see what are the accessories we got into the small box. First of all, we got a mount and some screws. You can mount the camera on the wall using this mount and screws. Then we got Xiaomi's common charger adapter and a white USB cable. But the USB cable is longer than Xiaomi's other USB cable. That's all we got with this Xiaomi security camera box. Okay guys, now let's have a closer look to the security camera. The whole body is made of plastic with white color smooth finish and it's very lightweight. Its small size and design make it feel like a small size futuristic robot which are ready to serve you on your command. Now let's talk about the camera. This Xiaomi security camera has 1080p full HD recording from 360-degree angle. You can have this security camera only for $47 from Banggood.com. It can go up to $50 on other website, but not more than that. There are some other model of this security camera which records 720p only, and those price will be low. This one has night vision recording mode and motion detection which can record clear video into full dark room and also can detect any motion and send you notification. Bottom of it, you will get a regular Xiaomi branding MI logo on it. Back of the head, you will get a speaker to voice communication which comes from your Xiaomi phone if you send any voice command. To the bottom, you will get a reset button and a USB port to connect your camera with the power using the adapter or any USB source. Under the Xiaomi camera base, you will get a mount socket. Here you need to attach the mount if you want to mount the camera on your wall or ceiling. Also there are 4 rubber bases to hold it perfectly on a table-like surface. If you rotate the camera up, you will get a micro SD card slot. Here you need to insert the SD card to save the recorded video footage. Under the camera, you will get a microphone to send voice communication from the camera. And on the upper side, you will get an indicator light. Overall, this Xiaomi camera is awesome for compact and futuristic design and its features. The best thing about this camera is worldwide accessibility without any hassle of static IP configuration. First, let's see how to set up this security camera. You have to connect the mini USB into this USB port like this. Then connect the other end with the adapter. Then insert the SD card into the camera like this. Okay guys, now we are ready. Whenever you power on this camera, it will rotate the head 360 and upside down for the first time camera calibration. In this running time, you will see yellow light indicator is blinking continuously. Now you need to install the MI Home app from the Play Store. Install it on your phone. After the installation, open up the app and accept the term agreement and allow the permission which need to access the camera from your phone. Then sync it with your MI account. And here you will see your security camera is nearby device. Tap on the camera icon and connect with the Wi-Fi. Then you will get a QR code on your mobile screen. show it to the Xiaomi security camera, and your setup will be ready. Now you can take use of it using your mobile phone. You can see the live view of your camera from your mobile phone. You can move your camera angle using those joystick type buttons come in your screen. Also, you can make it full screen in your mobile phone. There are lots of more options are available on this app, like home monitoring, full HD recording, two-way voice communication, snap picture, and many more. From the two-way communication feature, you can voice communicate through your mobile phone and security camera. Night vision camera recording also works very well and clear footage. When I power off all the light in my room, and here it's look like with the camera view. Night vision mode remove all the color from video and only show you black and white footage for better clarity. Whenever I power on the light back, it back automatically with the color footage. Using this app, you can access and monitor your home or office from worldwide. You don't need to configure any static IP for this. Through Xiaomi MI account, you will get an encrypted channel to get connected with your camera and live view. So guys, in my opinion, this is one of the best security camera. If you are thinking to get a cheap security camera with all of this feature, then I highly recommend you to go for it. I will put down the cheapest buy link of this security camera in the description box. Go get from there if you want to buy one for you. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. So give it a big thumbs up and share this video. And if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.